Gems edition. Today, we are at Saucy Wings, located in Spring Lake, North Carolina. The Southern cooking, fried chicken, barbecue, whatever you like Southern, it's here. Let's go say hi to my friend. How you doing?
Well,
I'm Frankie Meatball.
Benny Bryant.
Welcome to Cooking with Frankie Meatball, Hidden Gems. This is the owner of Saucy Wings, and he's going to tell us a little bit about his place.
Here at Saucy Wings, we have a variety of foods here. We are big on wings. Wings are what we do. We have consolidated two restaurants, seafood and barbecue, and hot wings. 25 different flavors. One of those flavors is for you.
Head on down, get some barbecue, even if you're from up north like I am. I came down here to get some wings. They got a wing challenge, atomic wing challenge. I think I could do it. What do you meatball maniacs think? Inside of Saucy Wings, 25 flavors, as he was talking about. You can get them in all different varieties. If you're real hungry, you'll get the 100. All these flavors. Whose recipes are they? Are they your recipes? Are recipes you acquired over the years? Or?
These are our recipes that we come up with. Recipes which you will taste no other place other than Saucy Wings. So what I'm going to do, take you in the kitchen, show you around, so that you can see how we do it here at Saucy Wings.
And were you a cook before you opened up a restaurant?
Yes, I was a 94 Bravo. That is a military cook. I was a food service specialist for 3 years at America's Finest Installation here at Fort Bragg, North Carolina.
That's it, guys. Come down here, support our veterans, support our troops. You got that? So you want to take me into the kitchen and
let's go.
Get cooking?
Ready? Grab that transfer. Wings are fresh cooked. To order. Combination comes with wings, French fries, and toast. Gotta have butter on that toast. Our sauces are right here, where everything comes out of these containers right here. Right now, our ribs are being cooked right now. 4 hours at about 230 degrees. I want to give you a little peek just to see exactly what's going on in here. We're going to put it on pause for a second just so you can see what's going on. We'll just give you one little peek. Look at there, look at there. Ooh,
that's a whole lot of loving.
Look at there, look at there, look at there. Look good, smells good. We smoke our own barbecue in-house.
Second combination coming.
Season our own wings. Our wings are never sold until they have marinated 24 hours. That's the key to a perfect wing. Perfect shaking. Those are the garlic parmesan.
Now we're in the front house where the magic continues and the love keeps going. Yeah. My man is going to continue to tell you about his beautiful, tasty wings and the love that goes into this place. Take it over, my man.
Right here is the front line where we make sure that every order is prepared properly. It's very important to make sure that when our customers get home, they have what they purchased. In the bag here, we have several items that are going out, and Mia is making sure that every person who ordered this food receives exactly what they paid for.
And a Frankie Meatball sticker.
Frankie Meatball.
Now, the food continues. This place is like a food heaven. I can't wait to get some Southern cooking. I never had real Southern cooking. Anyway, what is in this? I smell so good. What is in here? I know meatballs in there, guys.
We have corn on the cob, potatoes. We have chicken and dumplings. We have Brunswick stew. Here we have homemade baked macaroni and cheese. We have barbecue.
Is that brisket or is that pork?
That's pork. We have baked beans. We once asked about our baked beans. They said, well,
are they musical? That's all I got. All I want to know.
baked beans are musical. They sing to you once they hit the belly.
All right.
Yeah. And we have our very famous candy yams, green beans, and collard greens. Collard green, green bean, yams.
You're welcome.
I'm ordering over here. I'm ordering over here, guys. But there's no meatballs, but that's okay. We're going to get some real Southern cooking.
Real Southern cooking. Coming your way. Saucy wings. Onion rings? You want to put onion rings? You want that? Get onion rings?
Now, what platter is this?
That is catfish.
And you always serve your platters with fries or onion rings and hush puppies?
Yes. They get their choice of two vegetables.
Let me guess. The hush puppies. Everybody gets hush puppies.
Everybody get hush puppies.
Now, is that a Southern thing?
That is a Southern thing.
I'm going to send it over for more love. And I only thought they did wings. I never knew fish had wings. That is a catfish, right? Catfish? Can't get no more Southern than that, guys. I mean, come on, forget about it.
Wings.
Now, is that your staple? You serve the wings with toast?
Wings come with toast. A meal comes with toast and French fries, celery, and ranch dressing. Now,
See, where I'm from, toast only comes with breakfast, but you get it with the wings.
this is Miss Alicia. She's one of our top cooks. A pork chop sandwich, which is a favorite in-house on the southern side. And it comes on 2 pieces of bread. They love it. Pork chop, southern thing. Ride down the road, chew on the bone.
We're still at Saucy Wings. I kind of talked Mr. Brian in to making a sauce for you, but it's not his recipe. Not his recipe that he sells. I asked him to give you guys something that you could do, that, like something basic that you guys can make at home other than the Frankie Meatball sauce. I want you guys to have a nice southern based sauce. Again, this is not his Saucy Wings recipe. You want his recipe for his restaurant, you gotta come down and eat it, because he ain't giving it to you. He wants you to eat it. He wants you to taste his love. But right now, I'm gonna turn the camera over to my man right here, and he's just gonna walk you through a nice, simple sauce.
Okay. First, when you make your hot sauce, we're going to be making a hot sauce from scratch.
But you gotta have a good set of fleas, because you need a good edge.
There you go. Start with basic ingredient, Hunt's ketchup. You want to use about 4 cups of ketchup. We're about 4 cups of ketchup into a pot.
Now, could you say that? We're Worcestershire?
Worcestershire sauce.
Worcestershire.
I'm going to do 1 cup of Worcestershire. 1 cup of Worcestershire. We're going to do 2 cups of vinegar. We're going to balance that out. 2 cups of vinegar. And we want to do about a third cup of the cayenne pepper. Sort of like a little flavor, Frankie.
Throw it in. And guys, if you don't want it real spicy, real hot, you always could cut back on the cayenne pepper. Isn't that right?
That's correct. On our chili powder, you must add the chili powder. We're going to use about 2/3 cups of chili powder. Okay, now we're going to add a little salt. A little salt to that. Frank, are you taking notes or are you blindfolded?
I'm taking notes.
All right.
Let me tell you, you need to come down to North Carolina at Saucy Wings. Even if you're in the area, you might be an hour or two away. Let me tell you, take the trip. I took an 8-hour trip to come down here, and I heard so much about these wings that I had to drive 8 hours and bring it to the hidden gems. I'm telling you, you're not going to be disappointed. Everything's made from scratch. Everything's fresh ingredients. Better, the fresher the better. That's what Frankie Meatball always says. Guys, come on down to North Carolina, Spring Lake, and come get some wings at Saucy Wings. And you know what? Tell them the Meatball sent you, eh?
Now, you gotta use brown sugar. Brown sugar
is there a reason why you're using brown sugar rather than
use brown sugar because
granulated?
It not only gives it an additional flavor from the sugar cane, but also gives it for color and texture, darker and sweeter.
Is there a reason why you're using a whisk rather than a regular spoon?
Well, the whisk, you want to break up all of the chunks that may be in there. This sauce right here, we generally cook the sauce in-house, bring it to a boil, and we simmer it for about an additional 30 minutes after it comes to a boil so that the flavors can really get in there. We have add a little black pepper to it. Get this on the stove and bring it to a boil. We're going to get that to a boil. We'll come back to it. All right. Now, it's ready.
The sauce is ready. It's ready to go. We got to try this. My mouth is watering, guys. You got to make this. I'm telling you. It smells good, it looks good, and if it smells good, it looks good, it's going to taste good, guaranteed, guys.
You come all the way down to North Carolina to try the hottest wing.
Of course.
Let's do it.
All right. Woo! We're going to try the hottest wings.
Frank is preparing to take on the Atomic Challenge.
The Atomic Challenge.
We have the hottest wings on planet Earth. Check it out.
There you go, guys. The hottest wings on planet Earth. The Meatball's going to try his luck. Forget about your hottest chip challenge. Forget the chip. We're going to do the hottest wing challenge. Stay tuned, guys. The Atomic Wings. I got 3 minutes to eat 10 of the hottest wings in North Carolina. Or in the world.
In the world.
In the world. I'm going to sit down, I'm going to try to eat these bad boys in 3 minutes, and 3 minutes. So if you're from South Philly, you guys know tree. So I'm going to eat these in 3 minutes. I'm not going to eat the tree, I'm going to eat the 3 minutes. Let's see what I can do, guys.
Go.
All right now. Don't hurt yourself, Frank.
Well,
it's hard to swallow.
Frank, you gotta go home, Frank.
These atomic wings are made with jalapeno peppers.
You have 40 seconds, Frank. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Frank's not going to eat on time.
He's still going. He's still going. Oh, he's on his last one. I think he's gonna do it.
I'm gonna bag on it up. I'm gonna need a hose to clean up, I'll tell you that.
Listen, you're gonna need more than a hose.
Frank,
They're looking good, guys.
Frank is a champion wing eater.
Try his recipe. It's not his recipe that he uses for his wings, but it's a recipe you can use for your wings, guys. I'm telling you, I gotta give it to you. That sauce, that atomic sauce, it's not just hot, it is very tasty, a lot of flavors, a lot going on in that sauce. You come and you try the challenge, I want to see it on video. Email it to me and I will put it on my show, guys. Again, this is Frankie Meatball in North Carolina at Saucy Wings. And before I go, is there anything you want to share with the people out there?
Frank, I thank you for coming down to try our wings.
Thank you for having me.
The best wings on the planet here at Saucy Wings, located at 600 North Bragg Boulevard in the great city of Spring Lake, North Carolina.
So guys, again, what I say, if you like what you saw here, like and subscribe. Don't forget to come down and try the wings. If you're in the area, if you're an hour away, if you're 2 hours away, take the ride. There's plenty to do in town. We'll tell you what to do when you're here after you get done the challenge. There's plenty to do in North Carolina. If you like what you saw, like, subscribe, and share. Share this beautiful recipe, share this beautiful restaurant. And again, what Frankie Meatball always says, every road leads somewhere, and this road led us to Saucy Wings.
I got a call, but I'm not home. She texts me, but I'm here on my dime phone. She meets back at my place, and another night, another way. She dropped the curse.